Hello everyone! If you haven't already, please be sure to check out my previous video, Bootstrap CSS Grid System tutorial, prior to watching this video on the Bootstrap Grid classes. The Bootstrap CSS Grid System has 4 classes. The smallest class is XS for extra small devices such as cell phones. The next class is SM for small devices such as tablets. The third class is MD for medium devices such as laptops and small desktop computers. The last class is LG for large devices such as big desktop computers. The Bootstrap Grid classes scale up, which means if you create a div with a class of COL-SM-6, then small, medium, and large devices will all span across 6 columns within that section of the grid. The classes do not scale down, so if you create a div with a class of COL-LG-6 for large devices, then the columns will display as stacked on extra small, small, and medium devices. Here is an example showing how the grid appears on medium devices and collapses as we shrink the screen down. The Bootstrap Grid System is a quick and easy way to make responsive layouts for web design. When you create a layout, you may choose different options for different sized devices. In this example, we have a div that spans across 3 columns on small devices, 6 columns on medium devices, and 8 columns on large devices. You may remember from my previous tutorial that we must always place our grids within a container div. In this example, I am using a class of container-fluid, which is a full-width container. Within that container, I have created my first row with div class equals row. I have also created my first column with the class of COL-MD-3, which means that this section of my grid will span across 3 columns on medium devices. You may only have up to 12 columns per row. Once you have your 12 columns, you must then create a new row with the div class of row and place your next set of columns within that div. Please subscribe to my channel and view my other tutorials. As always, I try to explain things slowly and in detail for beginners. Thank you for watching.